Michael, I had to see you. Do me a favor, will you? Keep an eye on him
What?
for me, and if you take him out, put some clothes on him, okay?
No
Bye.
problem. Bye. Hi. Remember me?
Buddy.
Yeah, you could say that. Okay. Did you finish?
Done.
Come on, let's go. Okay? Okay. Get dressed. Dress up, right? What's wrong? Uncomfortable? Forget it. Let's go.
Uncle had never had it so good. Now another beautiful lady was interested in him.
Yo, honey. Here, get down, okay? That's it. Now, put your butt over here. Put your leg up. Put your leg up there. Okay. That's good.
Uncle preferred the feel of the wind in his hair.
Joe! Hey, Joe, you got what I ordered?
Sure. Ready in an hour, Win.
Thanks.
Mike up. No, I have a wooden leg. I will fight you until death.
Hey!
I don't understand, friend. Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more, eh? Get lost, you bird molester.
He's a nice pussy cat. Go find your own. Go on, scat.
Uncle Nixa could not understand why these people kept putting all their animals in cages. Only one thing to do.
Bird, those are my birds. Oh, please. One in the green.
Don't worry. Okay. Shut up!
Eight sparrows at $5?
This is Hong Kong, as far as the eye can see. Look right over there. You see that building over there? The one with the spire on top? That one? It's my boyfriend's office. Get it? My